The 2019 21st Fangoria Chainsaw Awards happened the same day as the Oscars. These awards are for movies released in 2018. Hereditary won 6 awards: Best Screenplay and Best Director for Ari Aster. Best Actress went to Toni Collette.
Don't you ever raise your voice at me! I am your mother! Do you understand?
Best Supporting Actor Alex Wolff. It also won the Best Wide Release Movie, and Best Kill was Charlie Meets Telephone Pole. Mandy won 3 awards, including Best Actor for Nicolas Cage, Best Score for Johan Johansson, and Best Limited Release Film. The Argentinian film Terrified won Best Foreign Language Film.
Paranormales.
No tiene que tener sangre en las manos, no en este lugar.
The Suspiria remake won 2 awards. Tilda Swinton won Best Supporting Actress.
The best performance I've ever seen, and continues to be an inspiration for me, is a donkey. A donkey inspired me.
And Mark Collier won Best Makeup FX.
The leg, so she hits the other side of the mirror room and her leg gets broken around the back.
Best Creature FX went to Sierra Russell and Josh Russell for The Ritual. Jeremy Dyson and Andy Nyman got Best First Feature for Ghost Stories.
You don't have to have your life ruled by superstitious fear. Wait, I don't like it.
The brain sees what it wants to see.
And The Haunting of Hill House won Best Series.